And there you have it. Second professional puppy. The best one and laziest one of them all. What's your name? Your name. Your name is...
Mijn familienaam.
Super Puppy.
Butch.
Butch. Ek net kyk wie lyk soos. Hallo Samantha. Gaan nie met jou, hè? Lekker gister partytjie gehou. Ja, water drink. Puppy. Wie is daar Super Puppy? Dit is nou wat ek vir hom ingevoer. And there's 2 lover dogs. Ah! John Ray, ek record, nee? Ek record. Ek record!